Add more context to your tasks with flexible text fields. With Jotform Boards, you can capture names, IDs, notes, or any custom information directly inside of your tasks. I'm Corey with Jotform, and in this video, I will show you how to add text fields to tasks in Jotform Boards. So let's go ahead and get started. So first, you want to go inside of your workspace and you want to click on the Create button up here at the top left. And then from here, you want to select Board down here in the right to get started. Now, you'll see different options for how you'd like to start your board. You can start from scratch, you can select a form, use a template, or you can even import your own board. So for this example, I will select Use Template, and you can browse all of the available templates, which as you can see, we have a lot of. But for this example, I'm going to go with the onboarding checklist template and click on Use Template. Now, once your board loads, let's go ahead and rename it. Right now, it's onboarding checklist template, but I'm going to change mine to say onboarding checklist 2026. And when you land on Jotform Boards, this is your main dashboard where all of your tasks and workflows are organized all in one place. And your board is structured into columns like backlog, in progress, and done. So you can instantly understand the status of your work. Now, to add something new, click on Add Task down here at the bottom of any of these columns and include details like the title, tags, due date, things like that. Now, as work progresses, you can drag and drop the task between columns to reflect real-time updates. For example, company introduction, I can click it and I can drag it to in progress and drop it anywhere that I want. Basics of SEO, once that's finished, I can click it, drag it over here to done, just like so. And if we click on one of these, you'll also see the tags, the due date, and any other details that help you quickly understand each task. At the top left, you can use the search and the filters to quickly find what you need. And on the right-hand side, you'll see connected assets where you can link files or resources directly to your board. And you can customize your board by adding new columns or adjusting your workflow to match your needs. Now, let's go ahead and open up a task to add a text field. For example, I'm going to open up General Orientation. Now, this here is the task detail view where you can manage everything related to that specific item. Now, at the top here, you can navigate between the tasks or custom options like cover, checklist, or task fields. And here, you'll see key details like the task title, the assignee, priority, and the due date. You can even assign the task, adjust its priority, and organize it using tags right here inside of this view by simply clicking into each one of these options. You can also add attachments, descriptions, and formatted instructions for clarity. Now, at the bottom, the comments section lets your team collaborate and track updates all in one place. Now, to add a custom text field, we are going to click on Task Fields up here at the top. Then on the right-hand side, we are going to click on Add Field. And from the available options, we're going to select Text. Give your field a name, for example, Point of Contact, and click on Save. And we'll see that appear over here on the left-hand side. And now you can enter any text value like a name, ID, or a note. For example, I'll enter John Doe as the point of contact. Now, text fields allow you to enter any combination of letters, numbers, or symbols, and they are useful for notes, internal codes, references, or any custom information your workflow requires. And this helps your team quickly understand task details without searching for extra information. And once you're done, go ahead and close the task to return to your board. And that's how you can add text fields to tasks in Jotform Boards. Capture the details that matter and keep your workflow organized in one place. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.